Hello friends, this is Abhijit Chakravarti and you are watching Smart Learning with this. Today's our topic is to prove the circle's area equal to pi r square. So let us begin. So this is the radius of any circle represent as r. Now if we divide it like this and keep and separate this to make such type of rectangle shapes. To make these parts, we take this parts small ones like this part here, this part here, such as formed as type of rectangle. And then you can see that it is not purely rectangle. There's many curves which doesn't conclude it with a rectangle. So secondly we make more divisions like so. If we make more and more divisions and then the pieces collect them, the concave part will become very lesser, and such a, and you can see that the gaps, if we dividing more and more, the gaps of bending becomes less and less. So one time will arise when we divide the circle in such a way that no such a line will be visible as such a way that it whole will be black in shade. Why? Because the intersection points will be overlapping each one another. Then there will be one point where if we take that little piece and make shape it like a rectangle, that it will be in full rectangle. Now as we know that the area of then the rectangle and circle will be equivalent to each other. Now as we know the area of any rectangle is base into height. Now so after that we can see if it is the radius, then the base will be we can measure the base will be the half of the circumference of circle. So we know the circumference of circle is 2 pi r. Therefore base will be half into 2 pi r. Now 2 and 2 will cancel, it will be pi and r. Now height, the height here, height will be, compare, height will be like the radius. Here the height will be the radius of the circle, so height will be the radius. Therefore the area of circle will be base into height, what is pi r into r is equal to pi r square. What will be its unit? Unit will be meter cos meter, or meter cos meter, or meter square. General in SI units, square in centimeter square, in CGS pi r square, unit square in general. So this is our proof for the area of any circle will be pi s square. That's our value. So if you like this video, please share and subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon, and like my videos, comment, share, and if you have any queries, please comment down below. I'll be replying it. So this was our proof. So we'll meet in our next video. Till then, bye bye.